Well, good evening. I'm Stan Boney.
And I'm Erica Thomas. The number of heroin overdoses in Trumbull County last year increased 60% from the year before. People who deal with drug abuse continue to call it an epidemic.
Earlier this evening in Warren, a community meeting was held in City Council chambers to learn how bad it is and what can be done to help. 27 First News reporter James Santelli joins us live in the studio. It's our top story at 11.
And Stan and Erica, tonight the coroner told people that it's bad and that it's getting worse. Some of the statistics he presented even made some folks in the crowd gasp, but they're also the hard facts of the heroin epidemic.
We finished up 2015 with 87 overdoses.
Trumbull County Coroner Humphrey Germanick used to be the chief medical examiner in Washington, D.C.
I was there for the crack cocaine epidemic. Ain't seen nothing like what we're seeing now.
In the old days,
Like Janis Joplin's song, I pull out my harpoon and dirty red bandana.
but today he says heroin is cheaper and easier to get, which leads to last year's spike in overdoses.
Warren, first place, 32. Howland and Niles, 12 overdoses each.
So what's to be done? Warren council members wanted to hear from the experts.
We cannot arrest our way out of it. We've tried. It's a vicious circle.
This is a community problem. It's going to take a community to solve it.
And from the public.
I'm really getting tired of all my friends dying.
I've been sober for a little over 2 years, but my heart's still in Warren.
One Warren council member said he had never seen so many people in the council room before. The mayor promised action.
If we're number one in addiction, then we can also be number one in recovery.
But easy solutions? They say there are no easy solutions.
This is one that I don't think any of us have a clear answer to.
All the same, I asked the coroner to suggest one thing that can help.
Vivitrol is $1,200 a shot, and autopsy is $1,500 a shot, so you can think of it as a $300 savings.
And one problem is that local leaders say there's not enough money to help people recover. They're asking for help from the federal government, and there is a bill in Congress that could provide some cash to help recovery programs. Live in the studio, James Santelli, First News at 11.